For me today, it's just another affirmation of Ngāi Tāmanuhiri sort of moving forward, but also looking back in terms of the world of arts. I think it's an important day to sort of for not only the iwi to sort of display what we do and have done well for centuries, but also gives opportunities for people based here in Tūranga, Gisborne, and even tourists coming in to see what iwi provide in the world of art. So I think it's a great opportunity. It's always good to be part of things that are first. So that's another great thing as well.
It brought back lovely memories of when I was a nice young girl. Brought back lovely memories, but I'm not going to say what they were. You said too much. I used to sit on at that station at 5 o'clock in the morning waiting for the train to get home because I missed the bus on purpose at 11:30.
Is that from town to muri?
Yeah. We used to go to the dance up the river. We used to go to the train station and sit there and wait. And the guards used to come along and say, "Are you catching the train?"
Kaupapa pai hei whakanui te iwi o Ngāi Tāmanuhiri. Hei whakatu a mātou taonga ki te kairapati. Hai.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, Jill. Karo nā mako. He rangi pai hei whakakotahi te iwi o Ngāi Tāmanuhiri. Kia whakawhanaungatanga ki I rau atu o ngā whānau. Kia whakanui tēnei rangi tino pai. Hei whakanui I ngā mahi toi o tērā I rā te whānau.
Take my moko on the first train ride, had to be muri wai to give them. I think I got mine never changed on that train.
It's a good day to celebrate Tāmanuhiri in beautiful weather with beautiful company.
Oh, too much nice. Oh, I think it means being with our whānau, celebrating all those special things. All those special gifts that our whānau have around whakaero, weaving, and just that and what a cool different day out today.
It's been wonderful in terms of just bringing the whānau together and a celebration for the iwi, because I don't think they celebrate enough, and this is just wonderful that whānau can come together and celebrate in terms of what they've achieved with their settlement.
And Richard's her husband, and he wrote her speech for her.
And it's for our mokopunas. They don't know much about who they are, where they are, but this is a learning thing for them. And the ride on the plane was magnificent. They really enjoyed it. Brings back a lot of memories of the train ride, and as I said, it's a whānau mokopuna thing. And for them to learn about their iwi and their heritage. Kia ora.
Wonderful.
Wonderful day.
Wonderful day.
Rā tino a tāua tēnei mō tātou. Mō tātou katoa.
Yeah, the weather's perfect.
Beautiful day.
Kei konei tātou, kei runga tātou I te manawa o te waka. Neki, o te waka o Horota. Kei runga tātou katoa, te waka o Horota I tēnei rā. Rā nui whakahirahira. Ana I raro I ngā rākau a tāne maru mai nei, te atahua o ki o te rā. Nā reira me te kite ake a tātou mokopuna e noho haere nei, e huri haere nei, ngā mātua hoki. Tērā hunga e noho mai rā, ko mātou katoa ngā tamariki porohianga I te wai a mātou e kōhine ana nai ne titiro, ko tau mātua katoa I nai. What a privilege. We're just saying, when Nanny Henny Sunderland was alive, she pulled us all together, all our districts. Te rātai rāpiti katoa, iwi tahi, mahi tahi, haere tahi. Nā reira, tēnei te rā niharoro mātu.
We enjoyed it. Should be every day.
Very important day for our iwi today. Yeah, celebrating who we are, where we come from.
our children have enjoyed the train ride. So I don't think they'll be running in the air at the time. So that'll be the first and last time they'll probably want to train. Yeah. Thank you to Ngāi Tāmanuhiri.